Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a spiderweb hairstyle, and I love this one because it's not super obnoxious. It could be cute for teenagers as well as little girls. So I'm just going to start out by making a waterfall twist braid. To make this braid, I'm going to split this section in half, and then I'm going to take the strand on the bottom and twist it over the strand on the top. And then I'm going to grab a small strand here on the top, and I'm going to put this through the center of those two strands that I'm twisting with and just let it drop. And then again, I'm going to twist the strand on the bottom over the strand on the top. And I'm just going to keep repeating that until I get to the back of the part. So again, all you do is put this new strand in between the twist and then take the strand on the bottom and twist it over the strand on the top. Okay, now that I'm to the end of that section, I'm just going to lightly twist this a few times just so that it doesn't come undone. And then I'm going to clip this to the side for now. Okay, now that I have this first waterfall braid done, I'm going to do the exact same thing with the strand of hair just down from that. This is going to be the exact same thing we did before. I'm splitting this into two strands, and I'm taking the one on the bottom and crossing it over the one on the top. And then I'm just going to make sure that I grab the same piece of hair that came through the top of that first braid to go through the center of this one. So again, you just add that to the center of those twists, take the strand on the bottom, twist it over the top. And I'm just going to make sure that I add all of those same pieces all the way across. And then again, while I'm working on the rest of these braids, I'm just going to add this to that same clip to keep it out of my way. Depending on the thickness of hair you're working with, you can do as many braids here on the side as you want, but it's just the exact same thing with each layer. I'm going to stop right here at 4 braids. Again, you can do as many as you want. And then I'm going to take these all out of that clip. To make this look more like a spider web, I'm wanting it to be more spread out here in the front and then to have these braids come in closer together in the back. So I'm just going to kind of arrange them till I get them spread out how I want. You can adjust everything. And then I'm just going to add a small clear elastic here at the back. So as I mentioned before, this isn't super obnoxious. It's not even obviously a spider web. You could actually just wear this hairstyle anytime. But to make it look more Halloweenish, we're just going to add a little spider right here at that elastic, and you can just find these everywhere during Halloween. We got this one at the dollar store.
Here's our finished Halloween hairstyle. Thanks for watching.